So you begin by going to the assignment, and of course you read the assignment. All the requirements are right here. There's also a link for the files that you're going to download. Before you download the files, you need to make a folder, do some organization on your computer. So you're going to open your Introduction to Communications folder, click New, right-click, click Folder, and then label it GTV Weather, and open that file so that way it's open and ready for you to use. We're going to go back, we're going to download, click on the link, select all three, right-click, click Download. It's going to take a minute or two to put together. On the Explorer window, you're going to click Desktop on the left-hand side. If this doesn't show, then you need to let me know and I will help you. Click on Introduction to Comms and go to GTV Weather and then hit OK. Once that's downloaded, click on the arrow down at the bottom, click Show Folder, click on the zipped file, click on the extraction tools, and click Extract All, click Extract. And there you go, your clips are extracted. Next, we need to go get our audio file. Click on the link. Logged in, click up in the upper right-hand corner, log in, use your school Google account, and then go find a song. Click on it, Clear Sky, since that has a weather term. Since it's what I want, I'm going to click Download. You're going to choose the desktop, Intro to Communications, and the GTV Weather, and then hit Save. In the future, when you use this song, I want you to make sure that you click on the copy button and you find a place to save the information, the details about the song.